It's a vacuum cleaner. It says handheld. It's the LT-114. Let's see how good it is. It's in a box. Look at that awesome box. It has a filter. I don't know why. I could probably put that like on a Honda. That'll make it go faster. And there's other stuff in there. That's a hose. I mean, yeah. Anyways, out of box. There's a vacuum cleaner. Let's see if it's charged. It's like $47 for this thing. I don't think it's gonna be charged. It has a thing on here. I'm gonna pull off. Let's put that on there. Throw away that later. And it's broken. Oh, no, it's not. Let's see if it works. Wow, this is really weak. So I don't recommend buying this. Out a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, a vacuum cleaner is very weak. Where's the power? So yeah, don't buy. Maybe it needs the attachment. But yeah, so far what I see, this thing's trash. Well, maybe not. You know, we'll see. Gotta work on it though. Get the other side. My car's a mess. Ugh. Look at that. Look at her suck. All that sand and tree stuff. It's just so exciting. I needed a vacuum cleaner, so I'm checking it out. Definitely want one with a little bit more power. I'm gonna test out the attachments later. It does feel pretty cheap, but hey, it holds stuff in there. So that's a bonus. And I have 2 filters. Pretty sick. All right, let me put it away. That. Wait, this thing has a stand. See if I'm any good at this stuff. All right, let's check it. Car's a mess because I work a lot. I'm a workaholic. Throw that in there, very nice. Throw that in there, very nice. Get this trash, grab it, work it. Ah, very nice. Got everything. What is this? Some, yeah, LT-114. It's like John. Instruction. Maybe I'll read that later. Alright, I'm gonna zip this up. Sure, it has been reviewed, and I don't recommend it for powerful jobs. Convenience, yes. If something's really messy, no.